Have you ever dreamed of capturing the world from angles no one else can see? Well, in this video, we're diving in the thrilling world of aerial filmmaking, where passion meets high and flying career opportunities. Whether you're a drone enthusiast or looking to break into the film industry, this could help you analyze how you can move through the industry requirements. Before we get started on classifying the ways, you'll need a drone of your choice, be it a DJI drone or a custom-made FPV. Now, the first category is of daily flyer. Well, as the name suggests, you can choose to fly drones on a regular basis without focusing on a specific niche. This will initially require for you to say yes to every opportunity that comes to you. And all you have to do is let the world know that you fly drones and show your skills through social media or even spread the word offline. Now, if you choose to be a daily flyer, you, my friend, will become versatile and perhaps be able to handle a wide range of projects from real estate tours to event coverage. You'll gain extensive flying experience across different types of footage and environments, and eventually develop a flexibility and adaptability to be ready to tackle various clients. Well, the pros are pretty clear that you'll get to experience a diversity of projects and gain a lot of general experience. But the cons will be that you'll have a hard time specializing in one niche, thus it might be harder for you to stand out in the competitive market. Or you can choose to be the category 2, which is the sector specialist, which can only happen if you focus on one particular market or genre, where you'll have to develop deep knowledge and specialized skills in a specific area, such as real estate or even agriculture. In this category, you'll stand a chance to become a go-to expert in your own choice of field, where your services will have to be highly tailored to meet the needs of the sector. Well, the pros of being a sector specialist are that you could be in high demand and potentially be able to charge your client a greater fee for your expertise. Whereas the cons include you missing out on opportunities outside your specialty or have higher chances of your work becoming repetitive or monotonous. Moving on to the third category of being a passionate enthusiast. If flying drone means more than just a job to you, you, my friend, will be in this career for deep passion. Thus, you'll be able to infuse your work with higher levels of creativity and innovation. Your dedication and commitment to producing exceptional and captivating footage will take you places. Aerial filmmaking will become a lifestyle to you, where you will use drones to give you a higher perspective of moments in your life, be it professional or personal. The pros of being a passionate enthusiast will often result in unique and impressive work to help you stand out, while the cons might include challenges of balancing the passion with practicalities of running a profitable business. Then comes category number 4, which is the preacher and the practitioner. These are the pilots who wear two hats at once, who not only just fly drones but also teach others how to do it. If you find yourself in this category, you will split your time between flying and educating, where you might lead workshops, create educational content, and mentor new pilots. Being a preacher will let you have a greater community impact, where you'll get to contribute to the growth and development of the drone industry or other pilots. Now, the pros of teaching can be incredibly rewarding and will help you build a strong community of skilled pilots. Not to neglect the cons of managing both teaching and flying will require effective time management and organizational skills, which could be hard to learn in the beginning, but once gained, you'll find it very fulfilling. So there you have it, the 4 categories of drone pilots, each with their own approach to aerial filmmaking. Whether you're interested in a varied career, specializing in a specific sector, pursuing your passion, or even teaching others, there is a path for you in this exciting field. Well, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment what category you fall into or aim to focus on. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.